All right, hi guys, how we doing? So, this week we're going to work on coloring in our sketches. There's a few things that we need to do in order to get them prepped and brought in from AI to PS. So this is what we're going to do. Well, this is what I did. We're going to work one at a time. Only one sketch at a time. And the other thing is this week we're only working on one. We're not doing any more than that because that you're going to work on when we work on our portfolios, all the others. I just want to make sure that you know how to do all the steps. So what I did, I brought in my sketch and I ported it, export as, and then I saved it as a PDF file, right? That's from my illustration. Then what I did is go into Photoshop. If I could get this in the window. Okay, good. And then I do File, Open. I spent a lot of time on this weekend, going over and over all these different ways. And, you know, of course, there's so many. See, I picked the Sketch One PSD. And a lot of them are super complicated, and I just wanted to make it easy for everyone. So this is what we need to do. I'm going to move this because this is very annoying to have in the middle. All right. Let me put that down there. This is why I never use the camera. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do select, right? Let's make sure our layers, we only have one layer, right? The computer is very slow with this. Okay. Layers. See how I just have one? That's all we need. So I'm going to go into select and I'm going to click all. So I just clicked select all, right? Now I'm going to go, when I say command, you guys with PCs are going to use, what is it? It's not command, it's control. So I'm going to do command X to cut, right? Then I'm going to go into my little, what is it? The quick mask, right? And then I'm going to do command V, which is paste, right? Do you see how I have that? And then what we need to do is to go back into select, right? Because it's selecting all the white we want to select, and do inverse. See how now my lines have changed? I'm going to go back into quick mask, right? And then I'm going to fill. So I'm going to go into edit, fill. For some reason when I do Shift F5 it doesn't work. And see how the black comes up? The fill. We want to go in and select black, normal, keep everything. Oh, you know what? Our inverse didn't take. So I'm going to do undo, right? I'm going to go into select, inverse, and then do edit, fill, right? Black, normal. There we go. See how now my lines filled in? Right? So now we're good. I'm going to go into my select and deselect. Now, do you see how I can now, oh, this is such a problem with the, I can now move my girl around. She's not like in the page, right? So this is the last thing that I'm going to do. I can now create another layer, right? I'm going to bring it below, and now I'm going to fill that with white. And I'll go all the way up to the top. I'm going to fill, and there. Now it's done. This is step one of the process. Like I said, we're only doing this week for one of our sketches. The rest you're going to be working when we start working on term projects. I wrote down the steps so you have everything. If you have any questions, let me know. This is called prepping your sketch for PS, okay? All right, good luck, guys. It took me a little bit, but you know what? Once you do it once or twice, it really gets easy. So I think this will help. All right?